Alright, we're coming at you with another scratcher. I got me a $3 here, which is called Fruit Explosion. Chance to win up to $20,000. Let's give this a shot. Alright, let's match to some fruits. Strawberry.
Hi, I'm Callie, and I lost 85 pounds.
Avocado.
All my life, I struggled with my weight. I tried every diet, and I even had weight loss surgery. But after complication, I had gained everything back extremely fast.
Apple.
Unhealthy, miserable, and depressed. Following Golo and taking release, I was able to lose weight gradually.
Cantaloupe.
I wish I started sooner. Don't wait. Go straight to Golo.com.
Orange.
When I started My Pillow, it was just a problem solution, one product company.
No kiwi.
Since then, with the help of my dedicated employees, we
2
now have
orange.
hundreds of products. Some you might
2
not
apple.
know. To get the word out, we're having
And
a
avocado.
$25
Do I have a lemon?
extravaganza. 2-pack multi-use My Pillows,
No lemon.
$25. My Pillow sandals, $25.
No lemon, so that's a dead one.
6-pack
Because we don't got lemons. We don't have no coconuts, so no cherries.
and I've never done this
No watermelon.
Premium My Pillows with all new Giza fabric, any size, any loft level, even king size for only $25. And there's so much more.
Oh, I think we got a winner.
Call the number on your screen. Use your promo code for our $25 extravaganza.
Got a
For
peach.
$75 and over, your entire order
Wait.
ships absolutely free.
Dustin loved to play with his kids. He was a fun dad.
On October
Got a
12,
peach.
2022, Lieutenant Dustin DeMonte and Sergeant Alex Hamzy responded to a domestic violence incident. Upon arrival, they were ambushed
No.
and shot, killed in the line of duty.
No.
We always thought we would see him until the day when he said goodbye. Gave a
Nope.
kiss. We never got to see him again. Frank
Nope.
from Tunnel to Towers reached out to
Nope.
us with a
Another dead one.
of everything happening. Frank
Had to revise this one. This one actually is a winner. It is a $5 winner.